Hello, flute players. Mrs. B here. We're going to do our next lesson, lesson 2, which I plan to tune first, and then we're going to have you review your first video, because I'm not going to play Ode to Joy again, but you can review that anytime. And then we're going to review how to do high G. And then we're going to do the book, page 9, number 1. It's new. And then the book, Five Guys. It's actually called the Fab Five. And of course, O Susanna, same book, page 10, number 44. So let's start with tuning on concert B flat. All right? All right, 1, 2, ready, tune. Remember, it's B flat. Again. Remember, if it sounds too high, then you need to pull this mouthpiece out a little bit, the head joint. If it's too low, make sure it's all pushed in. And it just needs to be warmed up. Playing it will help warm it up. I was thinking about you guys. I miss you so much. And I have this in my den, and I always like to look at it. It has a little baby, and she is pushing as hard as she can on this huge car. And she says, believing is 90% of the doing. And that means you got to want to do it. And if you do want to do it, you will. You will achieve your goal. So 90% is the wanting. The rest of it will come easily. Okay? So right now we're looking on how to review high G. And this is what high G looks like on your, it's backwards for you, I guess. But high G is on the top space above the staff. And that is thumb, 1, 2, 3, and the pinky, of course, on the little pad there. So let's go ahead and do high G. Are you ready? 1, 2, ready, play. Sometimes it's hard to get out. If you overblow, it squeaks. If you underblow, it's low G. 1, 2, ready, play. Okay, we'll work on that. All right, now let's start on number 1 on page 9 in your book. Okay, it has the beat of 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 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 Easy rhythm. It's just playing the notes. And if you look on page 10, it does show you how the fingerings work. Now, don't forget, all the E's are flatted and all the B's are flatted. And that's all you've learned so far. You haven't really learned B natural, I don't believe. And some of you have learned E natural. But just do the regular fingering as we have been doing at Tabernacle. Okay? So let's go ahead, starting on A, which is thumb and 2 fingers, and go slow. 1, 2, ready, play. Hopefully your flute is a little better than mine. This is the one I loaned to you guys when you forget yours. All right. Now, let's go ahead and do the Five Guys, which is in your book, Essential Elements. And we're going to go ahead, number 10 on page 5. Okay? Five Guys. 1, 2, ready, play. 2, 3, 4. Dun, 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 dun. Next time we might try and do that part. Some of you may have forgotten how to do that. It's been so long. All right, now let's go ahead and look at page 10 in your student book. And it is O Susanna. Sorry for the confusion here. right, here we go. The first two notes are faster, and they're pickups. So 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then there's a rest, and then 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and then there's a rest. Okay, you notice that that last measure only has 3 beats if you count the rest and the half note together. That's because they stole a note, 2 eighth notes, and put them in the beginning as pickup notes. That's allowed in music. You get to steal a little bit. All right, starting on B flat. You ready? Slowly. 1, 2, 3. Rest. Rest. All right, good job. Okay, I will look forward to seeing you next time. Keep on practicing.